Have you ever been in a conversation where words were spoken, but the message was lost? Where your point didn't land the way you intended? You're not alone. Communication is the foundation of business success, and today we're diving deep into how you can enhance your skills to become a more effective, confident, and impactful communicator. Whether you're leading a team, closing deals, or presenting ideas, communication can make or break your success. But it's not just about what you say. It's about how you say it, how you listen, and how you adapt to different audiences. Step 1: Mastering clarity and confidence. Confidence isn't just about speaking loudly, it's about speaking with clarity and conviction. Get to the point. Avoid jargon and unnecessary details. Structure your message. Start with a key point, then support it. Use your voice effectively. Vary your tone and pace to keep people engaged. Step 2: The power of active listening. Most people listen to respond, but the great communicators listen to understand. Show engagement, maintain eye contact and nod occasionally. Paraphrase and ask questions. This shows you're actively involved in the conversation. Control distractions. Put the phone down and be fully present. Step 3: Adapting to different communication styles. Not everyone communicates the same way. Some people love details, while others just want the big picture. Identify the style of the person you're speaking to. Adjust your approach. Be flexible in your delivery. Use cultural awareness. In global business, understanding cultural nuances can prevent miscommunication. Step 4: Managing difficult conversations. Conflict is inevitable, but how you handle it determines your leadership strength. Stay calm and composed. Emotions can escalate situations unnecessarily. Focus on solutions, not blame. Use I statements. Express your perspective without making the other person defensive. Step 5: Understanding nonverbal communication. Communication isn't just about words. Nonverbal cues can make or break a message. Body language. Stand tall, maintain open posture, and avoid crossing your arms to appear approachable. Facial expressions. A genuine smile can build rapport, while a frown can signal disinterest or disagreement. Gestures. Use hand movements to emphasize points, but avoid excessive motion that can be distracting. Eye contact. Maintaining steady eye contact shows confidence and engagement, but be mindful of cultural differences. Tone and pace. The way you speak, your tone, speed, and emphasis conveys just as much meaning as the words themselves. Communication isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. The better you get at it, the more doors open in your business and personal life. So, here's your challenge. Implement at least one of these techniques in your next conversation. Notice the difference and build from there.